Your English fluency teacher. The unexpected day off.
Did you see the email from HR?
No, what happened?
They're giving us a day off tomorrow because of the maintenance issue in the office.
Really? That's awesome. What are you going to do with your day off?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll finally catch up on that TV series.
Sounds good. I might go hiking if the weather is nice.
That's a great idea. We should make the most of it.
Absolutely. It's not often we get an unexpected break.
The lost wallet.
Oh no, I think I lost my wallet.
Are you sure? Did you check all your pockets?
Yes, I did. It's not here.
Where did you have it last?
I remember paying for ice cream. At that stand over there.
Let's go back and ask if anyone found it.
Good idea. I hope it's still there. I have my ID and cards in it.
Don't worry. Let's retrace our steps and stay positive.
Gym talk. I'm thinking of switching up my workout. Any suggestions?
You could try the spin class. It's a great cardio workout.
Sounds intense. I've been mostly doing weights and yoga.
It is, but it's fun and a great way to burn calories.
Maybe I'll give it a try. What about you? Any new routines?
I'm focusing more on strength training now. Trying to build some muscle.
That's awesome. Let's see who reaches their goal first.
Challenge accepted.
The weekend getaway.
I really need a break. How about a weekend getaway?
That sounds amazing. Where should we go?
I was thinking somewhere close, like the beach or the mountains.
The beach sounds perfect. We could relax and enjoy some sunshine.
Yes, let's book a cozy beachside hotel.
Agreed. I'll look up some options. This is going to be a great trip.
I can't wait. We deserve some fun after a long week.
The birthday surprise. It's Emily's birthday next week. Should we plan a surprise?
Definitely. What do you have in mind?
I was thinking of organizing a small party with her favorite theme.
Great idea. We could decorate the place and invite her close friends.
And let's not forget a cake from that bakery she loves.
Absolutely. I'll take care of the invitations. And you handle the decorations.
Deal. This is going to be so much fun. She'll love it.
I can't wait to see her reaction.
The cooking disaster.
So, how did your dinner party go last night?
Let's just say it was a bit of a disaster. I burned the lasagna.
Oh no! What happened?
I got distracted talking to guests and forgot to set the timer.
Ouch! Did you manage to save it?
Not really. We ended up ordering pizza instead.
Well, at least you had a backup plan. And everyone loves pizza.
True. It actually turned out to be a fun evening after all.
Movie night dilemma.
I'm in the mood for an action movie. How about you?
I was thinking more of a comedy. Something light and funny.
We always have this dilemma. How about an action comedy?
That's a good compromise. Any suggestions?
How about Guardians of the Galaxy? It's got action and humor.
Perfect. I've heard good things about it.
Great. I'll make the popcorn. And you can get the drinks.
Deal. Movie night is saved.
Tech troubles.
My computer just crashed. And I lost all my work.
Oh no. That's the worst. Did you save any of it?
I thought I did, but I can't find the file now.
Have you tried checking the backup folder? Or the cloud storage?
Not yet. I was too frustrated to think clearly.
Let's take a deep breath and look together. We'll find it.
Thanks. I really appreciate your help.
New hobby hunt.
I want to try something new this weekend. Any ideas for a new hobby?
How about painting? It's relaxing and creative.
I've never tried it before, but it sounds fun.
Or maybe join a local sports team. You love being active.
That's a great idea. I could use some more exercise. And I love to meet new people.
Let's check out some local clubs or classes. We could do something together.
Perfect. This is going to be exciting.
There you have it. Another series of conversations to help you improve your English skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep listening to English whenever you can. Did you understand everything? Feel free to rewatch the conversation as many times as you need. And leave a comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And subscribe for more fun and educational English lessons. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.